I found it in an old pawn shop on the main. A dusty six-string scarred by time and pain. Strummed a chord and felt a shiver in my soul, touched by something more than wood and coal. Took it home and tried to play my favorite tune, but the melodies it weaved were shades of moon. I couldn't know the man who loved it before, yet his weary spirit lingers evermore. The ghost of my guitar sings soft and low, stories of a life from long ago. Every note it plays a memory stirred, lost between the strings his voice is heard. Sometimes late at night I hear him hum, faint whispers in the breeze he's never done. He pours out heartache through each simple chord,